3D People Counter, Installation and Configuration Guide. One, checking the equipment list. 2, preparing installation tools and auxiliary materials. 3, equipment installation guide. Taking this channel as an example, measure the installation height from the ground to the device surface. Measure the doorway width, confirm the central installation position, mark the installation position with a marker pen, and use 4 self-tapping screws to fix the bracket to the top of the channel. Install the device. Use 4 hex screws to fix the device to the bracket, 2 on each side. Connect the device directly to the PO switch for both power and network connection. If there is no PO switch, a DC 12 volts power adapter can be used for power, and a network cable or Wi-Fi can be used for network connection. 3 indicator lights will flash, indicating that the installation is complete. 4. Web interface settings. 3D People Counter Web Tool. Configuration Introduction. 1. Device connection. Method 1. Connecting the device using a hotspot. Open your computer's or mobile phone's Wi-Fi list and search for the device's hotspot, HF plus last 10 digits of SEN. Hotspot password, HF123456. Open any browser and enter the device's hotspot static IP address, 192.168.4.10, username, admin. Password, HF123456. Method 2. Connect the device using a network cable. Connect the device to the local network. This can be done by directly connecting the computer and device with a network cable, or by connecting the device and computer to the same router or switch. Open the search tool for or search on your local computer, available for download from the official website www.forear.com. After finding the device, click to enter the device configuration page. 2. Equipment configuration. 1. Installation settings. Settings are based on the actual installation location. Top mounting or side mounting or angle mounting are available. Top mounted horizontally is recommended. Before setting parameters, the counting must be stopped. Installation height. The height entered must match the actual installation height, error less than 5 cm. Filtering height. Objects below this height will not be detected. This effectively filters interference from objects. A height of 100120 cm is recommended. Installation angle. The optimal installation method is horizontal with a 0-degree angle. Tilted installation is not recommended. Child mode. When enabled, people below the child height but above the filtering height will be counted as children. If the child height setting is equal to the filtering height, it will be ineffective. 2. Area settings. Before setting parameters, you need to stop counting. Before setting, you can update the background image to ensure the lens is unobstructed. Detection area. Blue represents the maximum detection range at the current height, and red represents the current actual detection range. The detection range cannot exceed the ground area and can be drawn according to the actual ground passage area. Detection line. The detection line should not be too close to one side of the detection area. Try to center it. When setting, ensure that every entry and exit passes through the middle detection line. Detection direction. The direction indicated by the arrow is the entrance direction. If the sides of the detection line are missed, turn on the broken line mode below. Network settings. It is not recommended to use wired and wireless networks simultaneously, unless there are specific requirements. It is recommended to use the default wired DHCP mode. If manually setting a static IP address, please ensure that the currently set IP address is correct and usable, and does not conflict with the IP addresses of other devices. Once the device is connected to the network, you can access it directly by entering the device's IP address within the local area network. The wireless network device only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The device cannot connect to 5 GHz or mixed frequency Wi-Fi. The device will restart after setting up the network, which takes approximately 1–2 minutes. Please wait for the device to complete the restart before refreshing the page. 4. Data reporting settings. The device supports data reporting via HTTP, FTP, and MACD. HTTP reporting is recommended. For example, using HTTP, only enter the server address and port here. If using our cloud platform, simply set the server address, op.fo or ear.com, port 8088. For other settings, click on Interface Settings and Advanced Settings. 5. Device upgrade. Firmware upgrades are usually not required. When the supplier notifies you that an upgrade is needed, you can upload the supplier-provided firmware here to upgrade the device. Before and after the upgrade, you need to confirm the device's version number to verify that the upgrade was successful. 5. Adding devices in the backend. 1. Open a web browser and enter the URL pf.fo or er.cn to access the platform login interface. Enter the administrator account, password, and verification code. Contact the supplier to activate the account and password. Click Login and enter the platform interface. 2. Add a device. 1. Enter the device's web page. Go to Settings, click System Configuration, select Device Information, view the device serial number SIN and copy it. 2. Add a device. Enter a device name which can be based on the installation location. 3. Enter the device SIN copied from the client. 4. Select the device type and model, then complete the addition. 3. After adding the data, first establish a hierarchical structure in the organizational structure options according to your needs, creating a framework that is easy to manage. For example, the company unit can be the top level, each department the second level, and each channel or office the entity. The organizational structure includes, but is not limited to, the following models. 4. Create an entity. Enter the entity's name, contact number, and email address. Select the organizational structure to which the entity belongs. Select the entity's business hours. Note: outside of business hours, the device will stop counting. Enter the entity's city and address. Select the time zone corresponding to the entity's location. Note: this setting will synchronize the device's time. After creation, you can choose to enable anomaly notifications on the entity page. Note: anomaly notifications will only be sent if an email address is set in the entity settings. 5. Creating entrance or exit points. 1. Fill in the entrance or exit point name. You can name it according to the device installation location for easier maintenance and management later. 2. Select whether it is a physical entrance or exit point, then complete the creation. 6. Binding devices to entrance or exit points. 1. Click the binding icon, select the device, click OK, and the binding is complete. 2. Return to the device management page, and you can see that the device is back online. Note: the above steps can only be completed after setting the network and push address in the client software for the device to be online. 7. Role management. 1. Add role. Describe role permissions. 2. Assign the specific permissions required for this role. With parent-child linkage enabled, selecting a parent permission will automatically include all its child permissions. After making your selections, click Save. 8. Employee account creation. Enter employee name, account used as login account, mobile number, and email address. Select the role, choose the corresponding permission role created earlier based on the sub-account's usage, and set the permission scope. You can select based on organizational structure or entity. 9. Basic information and logo can be changed according to your needs. 10. Log management. You can query what operations each account has performed. 6. Viewing foot traffic data. 7. Common problems and troubleshooting methods. 1. The device defaults to automatically restarting at 0 o'clock in every day. Local video display data is cleared after the restart, but the device's local storage data is not cleared. 2. The device's heat dissipation is located on the back. If installed outdoors, it is recommended to add a baffle above the device to avoid direct sunlight. 3. Avoid any obstructions within the camera's field of view. 4. Wired connections always have priority over wireless connections. Therefore, after configuring the wireless mode, you need to unplug the network cable. 5. Wi-Fi only supports 2.4 grams HCHA, not 5 grams HCHE. 6. Network latency will affect the connection between the device and the client. 7. When the device cannot push data to the server, you can disable automatic DNS acquisition and manually set the DNS to 114.11 and 8.8.8.8. 8. The installation height and angle must be filled in according to the actual situation. Incorrect height and angle will lead to inaccurate counting. 9. When setting the height, there should be no people or objects below the camera except for the background.